here we have the Wolfking C400 frozen block grinder. It's 125 horsepower. We've got a 400 millimeter grinding plate, and we've got a block lift on it here. There's the controls, and here it is. Go ahead and push the up button there, and you can see you can elevate your blocks directly into the hopper there. Alright, and here's the starter panel here. Now let's come back down there. Now we'll go ahead and show you inside the hopper, and then we'll turn it on for a short time here. Show you the back side here as we go around. Okay. And now we'll go up and show you the inside of the hopper, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. Let you see it running.
Here we go.
There you go. We don't dare run it very long without meat in it, but it works fine. It's smooth as a ribbon. And there you have it.